Look, creators out there, it's brutal how many of you are grinding day and night, pouring everything into your work, and still see almost nothing back. The frustration is real, pouring your soul into your craft and watching traditional funding routes shut you out again and again. Investors want big numbers, big proofs, and when you don't fit that mold, suddenly you're left scraping for scraps or dealing with gatekeepers who don't get what you do. You feel stuck, invisible, like your potential is locked away, hidden behind walls built by systems that don't care about you. And it's maddening because you know your work deserves more than crumbs, more than retweets and likes that don't pay bills. But here's the cold truth: waiting for someone else to unlock your worth is a trap. You have to take that power and run with it. And that's exactly where micro-investing comes in. If you're ready to stop begging for attention and start building real wealth, real support from the ground up. This isn't about old school VC pushing money your way. It's about a different kind of freedom, opening the door for small investors, fans, believers who want to put real skin in the game, who see the value and want to back you because they connect to your vision. Your community is your capital if you learn how to tap into it, right? Here's the first brutal move. Ditch the idea that only huge investment rounds matter. No, what matters is engagement at every level. You want to build a network of micro-investors who feel like owners, not just fans. That means building tools and stories that make them want to invest a little, stick around, and become part of your growth. Tiny investments from many people can add up fast, but only if you give them a stake in your journey. Transparent milestones, real perks that matter, and accountability. This is not crowdfunding as charity, it's crowdfunding as a strategic partnership. Second, you need to break the silence with your audience about money and impact. Make investments accessible, drop the jargon, the intimidation, the feeling that only high rollers can play. Educate your base, your supporters. Teach them exactly why micro-investing works, how it turns small bets into real growth, and how their little moves help push your whole project forward. Don't just post updates. Build mini campaigns that show them step by step how their money transforms your work. Be clear, be raw, be human about it. Third, get ruthless about data and trust. Track every penny and every promise you make. Share updates not once a quarter, but all the time. When people see the impact of their investment in real time, they feel connected. They don't just fund your project, they become advocates, your strongest supporters, ready to spread the word and bring more investors in. That's how you multiply your network and create hidden wealth out of thin air. At the same time, heart and hustle aren't enough. You need smart structure, and that means leveraging platforms that allow fractional ownership or tokens tied to your work's future revenue or success metrics. Don't settle for vague perks that don't deliver. Find or build solutions that make your micro-investors real stakeholders with actual upside. This forces you to level up your business model and align incentives so everyone wins. This is the future of funding, and ignoring it means missing out on a wave that creators like you must ride or get crushed. If this feels overwhelming, it's because it should. Only those ready to rethink money, control, and value creation will find the hidden wealth locked in the micro-investing revolution. You can stay stuck in outdated financing models, or you can step into this new reality where your community fuels your growth, where freedom comes from the many, not just a few. Stop hoping for permission to succeed. Build your own ladder, brick by brick, investor by investor. This is how creators flip the game. Not by waiting, but by freaking owning the connection with their audience's capital. By making investing simple, honest, and scalable, you don't just unlock wealth. You create a movement, a new way forward, where your work finally pays off on your terms. So stop doubting, start moving, and get ready to let your people invest in you like never before. The hidden wealth is there, it's just waiting for you to grab it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.